Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. So yeah, we're down at Cooden. So yeah, we're gonna give it a go. I've got the kayak and Kev thinks I'm dressed funny.
Yeah, that's why I look a little bit awkward. I don't really want to stand too close to you because people think I know you.
But you do know me.
I don't know him.
Right, anyway.
Yes.
Look at the sea behind us. Flat calm. So unfortunately they didn't have any ragworm in the tackle shop, so I've got some lug, squid, bit of mackerel. So yeah, that's on the menu today. So hopefully I'll get something while I'm out there. And what I'll do is, once I've got all my gear together, I'm gonna take Kev's line out and drop it off.
Fall off you. It's May Day, so all the bikers are out today as well. So.
Right, and guys, let me get my kayak off and get out there.
Fresh lug. I'm going to be yellow for about a week now.
I don't know, takes his hat off, makes his head yellow, he'll look more like Homer Simpson, won't he? Precious! Right, we're nearly there. Just getting a few bits set up. So, the rig I've got on here, you can probably see there's loads of beads, and so what I'm going to try is drifting this along with a bit of lug on it for any flatfish or anything like that. On my other rod, on this rod, I've just got a sliding rig with a small hook there and another small hook down the bottom. What I might do is I might swap it out for a bigger hook later on. Be interesting to see how far we take his other rod out in a minute. We'll empty the spool on the other one.
Yeah. So I think you find a better line, because this is the shit line.
Yeah.
And a better reel, I'll get some proper distance.
Yeah. Oh, he's going for a big bait.
Well, if you're taking it out a long way, I'm using a big bait.
Hopefully you get Smoothound. So these tutorials you watched on YouTube about pennel rigs and that, so put you in good stead, is it?
Yes. Yeah, I feel it has. Well, like the video I tried to make the other day, but obviously I had the GoPro that didn't work. I explained about all the baiting techniques and that I use, and how I'll say it. I don't, you know, I'm known, you know, amongst the community as a master baiter. You know, it's years of experience really of master baiting techniques I've picked up from different videos.
What Animal Farm?
Yeah. You know, getting it just right. And yeah.
Right, so I've yet to see what delights have been left on the other GoPro, so I might stick them in just a minute.
Morning. This is a little bit different. Usually Andy does all this stuff. Anyway, welcome to Fishing with Rippers. I've come down to Cooden Beach this morning. Andy's at work. Yeah. It's not where I wanted to go. I wanted to go down there, down by the pipe, but unfortunately there's some people fishing. But it's a beautiful morning, nice and warm, gentle breeze. Just getting set up now. Got my first rod just about to cast out. Now I'll admit, you know, I'm not the best at casting. You know, I don't hold that kind of skill. But, you know, people that know me, you know, they know my skill comes from my mind, really. That's why I got apparently such a large head, like a beluga whale. But anyway, yeah, you know, people that really know me, know my fishing, they know I'm a master baiter. That's where my skill really lies. Is you know, with what goes on my tackle. Yeah, so you know, during the day I shall show you my master baiting techniques, but today I've hooked up already. I've got a pulley panel rig, and there I have some squid and some bluey.
Very impressive.
All wrapped up on size 2 Aberdeen hooks. So yeah, let's get it out and let's get fishing, baby. There we go. So I've got one line out. Fairly calm. It's not too bad. The tide's still rising. I've still got about an hour and a half, so I might have to retreat up there. I'm not sure how high it's going to get, but yeah, I've got the second one all loaded up. Look at that. Squid, bluey, double hook on the pulley rig. Let's get this bad boy out there. Now I'm not sure whether it's tide. Get some knocks on that one. And there is a bit of movement in the tide. Alright, I figured while I'm waiting, I bought my little 10-foot rod with me, and thought I'd try some lures. So I've got my little sand eel. Let's give it a go. You never know, stranger things have happened. I'm not getting excited, but my rod just did get pulled over and went super slack, so have a look to eat. Probably nothing. Thing don't work, does it?
Right, so I'm going to tow that out as far as I can. We'll be in communication on the phone, and then I'll drop it. Be the furthest you've ever had your line out.
Well, yeah, it'd be a long bloody way. Alright, let's get it out.
Let's do it.
Let's go.
Right. I know they say seals are an angler's worst nightmare, but I don't know about whales. Some people might say this is cheating. I say it's, you know, using what you got, isn't it? What a cast. There he goes.
I'm going. Do you want to go in between the boys?
Yeah.
How much line you got left on there? What do you mean you're getting nervous?
Well, I don't want it to go right to the end and then come up.
Well, no, so tell me when and I'll...
Right, they're getting very close now. Yeah, you might want to stop there, mate.
Oh, it's in line. It's in line with that boy.
Yeah.
Right. Hang on, your hook's come out of this, so let me just...
Not a lot of that left on there.
Right, you ready?
Yeah, drop her.
There she goes, mate. Good luck.
Thanks, mate.
Right, I'll see you. I'll give you a shout if I get anything.
Okay, mate.
See you in a bit.
There's not a lot left on there, is there? I've still got to make it up there. Hopefully I'll have enough. Yeah, I'll be right. He's a long way out. And he's just put me between those two boys. Just how I like it. Alright, so this is a little comparison. So that's how much line I've got from me casting, which admittedly isn't that far, but that's how much I got left by cheating. Let's see if he has any luck out there. I'm just gonna sit over there, have a nice cup of coffee, and have the Coast Guard on speed dial.
Right, I can get my rudder down now. Yeah, it's a fair way offshore. So we'll see if he gets anything from that. Right, we're going to head out a bit further. So let's go. That was a seal. Right then folks, so I've also got with me today that deeper that James gave me. So I'm going to try that in a minute just to see any dips or hollows and stuff like that. But what I'll probably do first is I'll get that rod out with the spoon kind of like trace, and I'll just drift and drag that along. So let me get the deeper out and we'll sort that out. Right, okay, so it's showing 24 foot here, 24 foot deep. There's some hard patches. I'll keep an eye on that. Right, let's get this rod out. What I'll be doing is just drifting and letting the tide take me and drift this along the bottom of the seabed to try and hopefully pick up a plaice or something like that. Well, I bought some coffee along with me today, so we'll have some of that. Oh, I think, oh yeah, I got a bite. I got a bite. That didn't take long, did it? Let's hold the rod, see if I can feel it. it's just for lead pulling. Just for lead pulling as we're trolling. So I'm not that far offshore really. I do normally go out quite a bit further. You can see Kev's on the beach over there, where that white house is. On that beach to the right, that's where I launched from. Okay, on this second sliding rig, I've got 2 hooks. I've got a size 1 and a size 4. The size 4 is on the upper part, so I've got a bit of squid and some lugworm, and then on the size 1 a lump of squid there. So I'll get that out the other side. Okay, and we'll do the same with this one. We'll just troll it along the bottom and see if we pick anything up like that. Oh, there's a tug on that one. Oh, it feels like it's come off. It came off. Oh, it came off, whatever it was. It's had a good amount of that squid. Let's get this back out there. Well, this has only just gone out and I've got a little knock on it. Something having a go. Well, whatever it was, doesn't seem to be, oh, yeah, go on. Fish on. What we got? Oh, doggy which came off.
Phew.
Well, at least it ain't a blank. It was a doggy, but alright, that's back out. We shall see. Well, I've just messaged Kev on the beach saying that I had that dogfish and he still hasn't had anything yet. It's the way it goes, isn't it? But that'll probably be it today. I'll be plagued by dogfish now, won't I? That'll be it. That's on the squid. Nothing on that worm which I'm dragging across the bottom. I was hoping it might be alright for plaice, but I'll bring that in a minute, check the bait again and see how it looks. I might have to bring the rods in, paddle back up and then do another drift down. But we'll see. Let's bring this one in which has got the lugworm on it and probably rebait that. I have got quite heavy lead on here though. Oh, stripped. Nothing on it. Let's get another worm on them. Let's get that out. Yeah, I've got fish on. Oh, another dog. Ah, you swine. Right guys, another doggy, so let's let him go. And down he goes. Well, I think Kev's still blanking. Bless him. He can't help it. He tries though, he tries, that's the main thing. And it looks like the sun's trying to come out and all. So if it does, I might get all of this lot off and get the skin out.
Oh la la.
Although they did say it was supposed to rain today, so that's why I came prepared like this, but what's going on with this rod? going slack. That's normally a sign of a doggy. I don't want a day of dogs. Well, I've just got a knock. There we go. Got a knock on this rod. What we got on here? Please don't be a dogfish. Feels like it might be another doggy. Come on, up you come. It's another doggy. What is it with dogfish today? Bloody hell. There we go. Yet another doggy. Let's let him go. Hello, bye bye. All right, mate.
Any luck?
Just dogfish. Huh? Yeah. Yeah, there's a bite. Dogfish number 4. Dogfish number 4. Ah, you little. Right. Away you go. Let's see how Kev's getting on.
Hello, mate.
Hello, mate. How you getting on?
Nothing.
Nothing. I've just had my 4th dogfish.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh. I'm going to pull the bluey in a minute.
Oh, what? It's still out?
Yeah, I thought it's out there, I'm leaving it. Saying that, it's such a long way out, I won't have any bite indication, will I?
Yeah, you should do.
Maybe.
You get the line taut enough, but yeah, it's just Dogfish City out here.
Yeah. Go
And,
a bit further out.
eh?
Go a bit further out.
Well, I might. I'm just drifting at the moment. I ain't anchored up or anything. And similar to kite surfers at, when we went to Tide Mills,
Yeah.
of all the sea, look behind me.
They got some friends coming out as well.
Oh, you're joking?
No, there's another boat getting set
Oh,
up now.
fuck. Oh, I'll probably then.
I'll just go a bit to the left a bit.
I'll just aim at them. I'll cast them.
Yeah.
Mind you, they can outrun me.
Yeah.
Oh well, well, tight lines anyway, mate.
Yeah. Carry on having fun, mate.
I will. Oh, is that another bite? I think I might have another bite.
I'm just sat here drinking coffee. Having a
Oh, I've had a little bit of coffee, but yeah, I've got another bite. Right, I'm gonna have to go. See you later, mate.
well done.
Ah. Could just be where I'm drifting. That looks like a bite. No,
Nope.
nothing on there. Let's go out a bit further. Okay, so it's 30 foot here.
See, it's like a snooker table out there. Beautiful. There's no wind at all. Yeah, it's a bit cloudy, but it's warm. See some gulls diving. So what I'm thinking is I'll either Yeah, I'm going to try some lure fishing for a bit and then I might stick a float out. Yeah, let's give it a go.
Oh, look how flat calm this is now. It's like a mill pond out here. Not a breath of wind. It's quite nice. Since I've moved, I haven't had any other bites or anything, but I'd much rather that than just keep catching dogfish all day. I dare say that they'll probably move in and find my bait. But yeah, we'll see.
Right. So, yeah, I see some gulls diving earlier, so it looks like there might be some fish a bit closer in. So I've got my little spinning rod with the sand eel. Let's give it a go, see what happens.
Coming up to 10 past 1, high tide is at 1:30. So oh, there we go. Let's swap the rods over. I dare say it's probably a dogfish, but let's get it in and have a look. Don't feel like anything on here.
Nope.
Nothing. Let me stick a bit of fresh lug on there. Dogfish gods, please help out Kev. He's over there. Go, go, go. Come on, he's got to beat the blank, hasn't he? Somehow or another. Right, so on this one you can see I've got a big smelly lump of mackerel and a bit of lug on the top hook, so we'll get this one out and see if this has any results for us. Right, well the tide has turned now. You can see that I was further over than that to the right, and you can see the rod tips are bouncing about now as we're dragging the bait along the bottom. So we'll see. Right, and guys, because of that drift I've now anchored up. So yeah, I'm not going to drift anymore. I'm opposite the beach where I launched earlier. So we'll give it, what's the time now? It's 2 o'clock. Give it another hour or so, and then probably call it a day. So, look at that lot. Come on, one more fish. That's all I want, one more fish. Looks like I've got a bite on this one. What have we got on here? This feels a bit better. Hey, a smoothound. Brilliant. A Smoothound doing the death roll. Oh, you silly sod. And you hooked me. Nice one. Well done, mate. Right then, guys, so makes a change from a dogfish. A Smoothound. Right, let's let him go. There you go, mate. Hello, mate. How's it going? Shit.
I'm not even getting a knot.
No?
No.
Oh, I've just done my last cast, and so 15-20 minutes and then I'll be in. Did you see the WhatsApp picture?
No, not yet. Everyone keeps ringing me.
Oh. Oh. I've had a Smoothound.
Have you?
Yeah, it weren't that big, but
Well,
yeah, so it's four doggies and a Smoothound. So
yeah, I'll take that.
yeah, it ain't been that bad. I'll see you in about 20.
Yeah, no worries, mate. I'm just fading up a bit again.
Feeding a fish.
Yeah, I think there might be crabs. I'm not sure.
Yeah. All right, mate. I'll see you in a bit.
See you in a minute.
Bye.
Right.
Right, guys. So nothing on that. I had a whole squid out on that last bait, and nothing on that. So anyway, time to bring the anchor in, head back in, and meet up with Kev. A disappointed Kev. Never mind. Right guys, the anchor is in, and what I'm going to do is, as I go in, I'm going to troll that behind me. You never know, if there's a bass about, it might have a go, or a seagull.
Here it comes. Oh, he's going to be so smug. Last I heard, 4 doggies and a Smoothound. Mate, not even had a knock. I mean, look at that. You'd think that was a picture, but no, it's not a picture. It's actual video. Nothing.
He's a f***ing numpty, isn't he? Can you get my float back, mister? There you go.
Hey,
At least it weren't a tree.
it drifted a little bit.
It drifted. Oh, you've had success then? You had success? You caught a groin? This way.
Smug, ugly git.
Oh,
What? That sounds like you've had a good time out there.
hey?
Sounds like you've had a good time.
Yeah, it's alright. 5 fish,
Yeah,
little Smoothound, 4 doggies,
yeah.
and what'd you have?
I had a lovely sausage roll, some coffee.
Oh, I had some coffee.
Yeah.
That's about it. Yeah. Well done.
Told you, look at that fucking. Look, I can't swear, that face, that smug git.
Oh, lugworm and squid.
Nice.
Right, I'm back on terra firma. Just had a debrief with Kev. Miserable, disappointed Kev. And literally, as we were talking, one of his rod tips just started bouncing. So that would be good. Come on, you've got to break the blank.
Whoever it was, it ain't doing it anymore.
It looked like a flatty bite.
Yeah. When you flatties, they tend to bite and then
Yeah.
sit on it, don't
Well,
they?
just leave it a bit and see. What you got on there, worm?
That's my flapper rig, so I've got 2 worm and a squid head.
Got to get it on camera, haven't we? Come on. There you go, there's a little knock. There you go. Hey, he's going to break the blank. A whiting, yeah.
Still around.
Yeah, still about. Come on. Let's beat the blank, Kev. Can't be a blanker all your life.
I know. Starting to get a bit depressed. This is fishing for sanity.
Fishing for depression for you, isn't
I
it?
was getting more depressed.
Well,
Whatever it is, it's only little.
yeah, but better than a blank. Yeah, you got something on there. Hey! Little flatty. Well done, mate.
That is tiny.
Go on, give What's that? About 20 yards? Right then guys, kayak's all loaded up on the car. I'm about to go home. I think Kev's about to wrap up in a minute. But yeah, thanks for joining us and we'll see you again soon. There's a plaice.
That was just a little dab.
Yeah, it weren't a dab.
It wasn't.
No, it weren't a dab, it was a plaice in the end. Yeah, little baby plaice. You done a dab anyway.
I'll take the place. Last place.
Oh, you know.